I have a pile of shoes in my closet and I could just no longer take the mess. I even tried turning one shoe in one direction and the other in another direction, and surprisingly that does free up a little bit of space to stack more shoes, but as you can see, this is just a pile of a mess. And so I went to Walmart and got a 4-tier shoe and boot rack, and I'm going to show you how I assembled it in this video. I was struggling on this part, and it's not hard to figure out. It's just really hard to push the connector piece into the slit on the shoe rack because it's a really tight fit.